Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Zedge account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Zedge account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Zedge application. You will end up on the home page of your Zedge account. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on login option. You can sign up to your Zedge account by using your Facebook, Google or email as well. Tap on any one of the options. Here I'm gonna go with email. Enter your email address and tap on next. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Enter a verification code sent to your email address and tap on next. On the next page, enter your username, create a password for your Zedge account and enter your date of birth. Tick mark on the given boxes to agree to the terms and conditions of Zedge and to receive news and offers from Zedge and then tap on finish. This is how you can sign up for your Zedge account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.